Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Christina and today I'm going to do a beginner stretching routine. So if you're a beginner to stretching and you don't know how to stretch, or you're just now getting into stretching and you're confused on what to do, this video is for you. So get a mat or just sit on the floor. Either way is fine. Let's get into the stretching routine. It's a quick, easy, beginner stretching routine that I know you guys will love. If you are new to stretching, this is perfect for you. If you've been stretching for a while, you can still do it. It doesn't matter. But this is specifically for beginners. So let's get into the video. much better after doing that. I feel so good. I feel stretched and ready for a workout or for the day, whatever you guys are doing. I bet you guys feel just as me. So that was an awesome stretch. I feel so good. I feel stretched. I feel ready for my day. So I hope you guys loved that stretching routine just as much as I did. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment any other videos you'd like to see, or if you want more stretching videos, I will get those out for you as well. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.